What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? I'm trying to keep this video under 15 minutes. So I can post it. Got this. Um, this pretty sick. Went downstairs finally. There's no organization down there, so it's just like a box of inserts and rookies. So they're really just mixed in. So I don't know what's in here. But I did grab. I have a little hit stack. I just grabbed the first three. I didn't even look, because I was in a rush trying to get this done, because my family and friends are in town, and well, they're out of town eating with my parents, and they're going to a restaurant I don't like, so they're bringing me something back, and I'm trying to get this done before the little kids come back and they start like crying and stuff. So alright, John Elway, Legends, Mark Barron, rookie, Michael Kidd-Gilchrist, that must have got mixed in, I guess. I might have taken it down. 99. Matt Barkley. Antonio Cromartie or something. I don't know. Jets. Joe Flacco. Dominic Osmore, cornerback. 2012. Randy Moss, Dez Bryant, double. Dez is a rookie. There is a little crease next to Randy, but besides that, it's perfect condition. The Dez is a rookie SP, so I mean that's pretty cool. No, it's not an SP. I'm sorry. It's pretty cool though. All right, Robert Griffin III, throwback, rookie. These were pretty much all gotten impacts. Robert Griffin III, some tickets, something, rookie. Keenan Allen, rookie. Super Bowl champs, Joe Flacco, rookie. Colin Kaepernick, game plan. Put that. I think I'll start a small PC. I'm not gonna get all serious about it, but I'm gonna start a small Kaepernick PC. Sean Moreno, rookie. Josh Freeman, rookie. Tony Gonzalez, All Pro. You don't see that. Andre Jones, Chrome. Cordell Patterson. For you basketball fans, Cards for Life 3. I don't know if you're serious about basketball or just John Wall. Here's an Amari patch throwbacks out of that little thing's on the corner of the thing. It's in perfect condition. Everything's in good condition except I'd say the top two corners there's a little white. That's it. 13 of 25. I'll trade that easily. I'm trying to trade for some nice rookies, base rookies. Chris Johnson, rookie exclusives. Cam Newton, D'Angelo Williams. This card is pretty cool. Base of the franchise. Cam Newton's a rookie. Get this done fast. Smith, rookie roll call. Golden Tate, rookie of the year contenders. Contenders, I guess. And Colin Kaepernick, Super Bowl card. The Super Bowl patch right there. That's pretty cool. I like that one. Even though it is just base. Andre Jones, Prestige, just picks. Jimmy Graham, Roddy White, Blue Bridges. Peyton Manning, first day as a Bronco, NFL Player of the Day. Cam Newton, rookie, SP. It's a rookie, it's really super shiny. I'm pretty sure it's a rookie. Yeah, it's a rookie. Jarvis Jones, rookie Strata, die cut. Dang it. Lavonte David, rookie. That was on the cover of my binder. Took it off. No, wait, that one's still on there. I have like 4 Lavonte David top rookies. Calvin Johnson starts the game, second year refractor. The Calvin refractor, I haven't seen too many of those. Demaryius Thomas, rookie. So that rookie. Matt Hasselbeck, All-Pro, Hawaii. Now I'm back up for Manning, so I know how that worked. Larry Johnson, Pro Bowl performers. Robert Griffin III, top rookie. Oh, and on the back I have an Emmitt Smith mini card. For some reason. Ryan Tannehill, rookie refractor, Thomas Platinum. And LeJean McCoy, Tony Dorsett, Topps Chrome. I think LeJean is second year. Pretty cool. Passing, it's like pretty in lineage, passing tweak or something. And some more, a few more. Robert Griffin III, glossy. Trying to get rid of this. I'll trade it for an insert. I hate this card for some reason. It is glossy, so I mean it would have to be just a decent rookie, please. That's all I'm asking. And it has to be defense. That's all. Kendall Hunter. Now I'm hitting my hits. Beanie Wells, actually. Beanie Wells, 2-colored patch. Sort of. You can sort of see the black dot. I don't know if you can. It's not really a patch, but it has 2 colors. So, it's out of, but it's a small color. It's like just a little black. That's all. 250. Kendall Hunter, at a 589, rookie auto, jersey auto, actually. Some people say he's good, but I don't even know really who he is that much. Some people like him, so it's out 589. And Santana Moss, NFL captain, patch. And upgrade. As I said before, these two are being held for Cards for Life 3. Chris Long, I don't know if any of y'all want him, but oh yeah, I got this today. Jerry Spurd in the mail. Pretty cool. I got it for like I got a couple score packs, and I did the Bills. I don't even know why. I think I thought C.J. Spiller was 2009, but he wasn't. He was 2010. So now I know that. I did know that. I just forgot, I guess. And I got Bird, so I'm not playing. He had like 5 packs. I think I got that in the base card, but I just threw the base card out because it's pointless. I think I got a few. I'm gonna do a fast recap of the top 25. What didn't make it was this, because actually, I think it did, actually. Whoops. Oh, well. Well, gosh. Oh, yeah, I went to the basement. Got that. Round 99. Larry Walker. You've already seen that double pass. Larry Walker. That one. For my friends. And I found these in the basement. Triple Ben Roethlisberger. Take it apart. Tough. Ben. Tony Romo. And what name in? I'll trade those 3. And if you want the case, I don't care about the case, so I'll just give you those if you want to trade. Top 25 really fast. 25. Mark Ingram. Rookie SP with the pad sticking out. Colin Kaepernick, Rookie Revolution, PC. Marshawn Lynch, Rookie. Jamal Charles, Rookie. Randall Cobb, SP, Rookie. Matthew Stafford, Rookie. LeSean McCoy, Rookie. Topps Chrome, by the way. Put that on sale now. Ben Roethlisberger, Rookie. Giannobi Bernard, Rookie. I guess LaRon Landry, extra point for Redskins, out of 250. Monte Ball, Rookie. I'm not saying the numbers because I'm in a rush. Robert Griffin, 3rd, Rookie. Deshaun Jackson, out of 250. Double, Luck, RG3, Rookies. Drew Alginigan, Jumbo Patch, Rookie, out of 50 of 25, or 25 out of 50. Andrew Luck, Strata SP, Rookie. Reggie Bush, Rookie, uncirculated. Clay Matthews, Rookie. Kept them the same order as yesterday. Golden Tate, Rookie. Torrey Smith, Rookie, graded. Julius Peppers, All-Pro, Rookie, 52 years of collecting, out of 52. Tim Tebow, graded, Rookie. Mike, I think we're in the top 5 now. Mike Wallace, Rookie jersey. Jordan Tillman did pretty good for the Jaguars last year. Sick, kind of out of 100. So rookie, you can see that rookie there. Arian Foster, Jumbo Patch, 50 out of 89. Jared Mayo, Rookie autograph, select inscriptions. Number 1, as we all know, Cap. Yeah, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Went downstairs. Gonna show you my better cards from downstairs in a minute. Alright, that's it. Peace.